Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a Phantom wallet. For that you need to download and install Phantom wallet in your device first, and then you just have to launch it. Now over here on the home page you are going to see the option of create a new wallet. So you need to tap on create a new wallet, and then it will ask you whether you want to use the device authentication. So if you want to use it, then you just have to turn the toggle button right next to it, and after that you need to provide your fingerprints and it will enable successfully. Then you need to press next in the bottom. After that it will show you your secret recovery phrase, so you just have to copy it to the clipboard, and after that you just have to keep this recovery phrase at a very safe place. It would help you to log in into your Phantom wallet account for any reason if you log out of your account. Then you will have to tap on the OK button in the bottom, and then you need to press yes. After waiting for some time, it will show you that you have successfully created your wallet. So you will have to agree to the terms and conditions and press the get started button. Then it may ask you to authenticate, so you just have to provide your fingerprints, and then you will be able to easily set up your Phantom wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.